Okay, guys, welcome to another Mickey stock stream. You're stuck with me today, Daniel. We have a situation here at Mickey Stocks. Mickey is on a mission to buy like 30,000 shares of a stock, which is insane. Uh, to have a $35,000 share position, not dollar position. I think it's like $120,000 position. So that should be really interesting. Um, And I just want everyone to know that we really appreciate you coming here to Mickey Stocks. So let's get it started. Not much in the news today. We have an election eviction moratorium. That means the government is going to freeze evictions in the U.S. We have job data coming out. Let me see if it came out already. Um, Now, we know that jobs data is pretty important because people are not going to work. I mean, we had COVID-19. Or we're in, depending how you want to look at it, this COVID pandemic. And people have been getting free money from the government. Uh, Payrolls came out positive, actually. More jobs than expected for June. Almost 100K more. Still down from the previous, but that trend is starting to reverse, hopefully. We have a member of the FOMC speak today, and we have pending home sales, which is pretty important, coming out at 10, I believe. Also, crude oil inventory is at 10:30. So, pending home sales and crude oil inventory will give us a really good look at inflation, especially with moves in oil. Stocks are still trading around record highs, but aren't really moving that much. And they're chopping back and forth. There hasn't been a recession or something. Um, Mac, Micron, MU, and Bed Bath & Beyond report earnings. So MU and BBBY are going to be on our earnings today, on our watch list. And let's see what else we have going on. Oil has moved down a little bit. I mean, sorry, oil has moved up on on an OPEC meeting being delayed. We had a Didi, a Chinese biggest ride-hailing company is having its IPO, and really not much today as far as news goes. So let's head over to the stocks. Okay, sorry about that. There was a little issue with the intro. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have my trading view open. Let's first go to the SPY. SPY is still trading near all-time, actually broke all-time highs. Yo, 430. Uh, Candles are getting weak. Starting to look for a reversal, honestly. We had this nice uptrend. I would like to see a pullback to the 8 EMA or the 20 EMA. There is a nice level at 423, 427. A nice level there. So we're going to wait for that. Also, and let's see. No, this 427 level, I really like it. I mean, you can say there's some support at sorry, hiccups. Sorry, at 423, and some minor support at 427 also. Let's go to the QQQ. QQQ is just blasting off. We had that tech rally. We had all kinds of beautiful stuff going on. Let's see. And for those who are interested, we have some videos on TradingView on our channel. Yeah, tech rally is really nice. We had that Facebook news yesterday. Nothing crazy to report on, but some levels are 348, but that's for a swing trade. Daily, well, I mean, I think it could bounce to 352 and then make a nice bounce, but yeah, I'm just nothing crazy going on today. And here we go. I'm going to reset my charts. Seems like the Russell is going negative. I mean, as we see inflation being accepted in a sense, people are dodging the Russell, which would be better for inflation names and going to tech heavy. So we're seeing like a statistical arbitrage play out of the Russell into, let's see if I can compare the two actually. Compare QQQ. As you guys can see, hold on. But as we see this deviation going downwards in the Russell, I mean, we see the QQ is going higher. So that's a pretty interesting move going on. We saw they were kind of trading together for a little bit. Then the inflation fears were coming along in the QQQ. Then the QQ had a bottom, and then had some nice trading activity. And as we see, as it's rolling over, we see the QQQ going higher. So that's pretty interesting. Let's check oil CL. Yeah, oil is moving nicely. You could easily see a nice breakout here at 74 and then hit all the way to 80 with some choppiness, but I'm liking oil for a play. Everything's looking pretty nice. Let's look for some hot stocks. Not liking this. Space is really getting hit heavy. Space could be, a nice bounce off the 45 level. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. I'm gonna call it a day, everyone. It's been really great having you here, and I apologize for the short stream, and I'll see you